Hello everyone, how's it going? SYB Trading here, and this is today's daily recap. So today the first trade was on SKLZ. So SKLZ was a big gapper today, and in fact yesterday as well did well. So it has some momentum behind it. But I was mentioning in the pre-market as well, I have my level set for 14s. I was mentioning to the stream that 14 level is quite strong, and if it does hold, then we would see a fade off on this name. Hit the 14s and got rejected badly. So and then I started looking for shorts. I was looking at shorts here, 1340s, on that little rejection bar, but I couldn't get in, and I also was worried about the 200 EMA bounce. So the plan was to let the price break 200, and then if it does come back to 200 and start rejecting, that's what I would short it. We actually managed to short it 1320s, 1319s with a very tight stop. I was mentioning 1330s, 1332s, around that area would be my stop. So that's basically our stop, and this our target. So as you can see, we risk 1 to get maybe 2 plus, let's say 2R. Okay, 2R on this name, guys. On SKLZ we've got 2R plus 2R. And then we had AMC. We traded AMC around this area, as you can see. I was looking at 46 level, holding nicely here, and then I was mentioning, well, if it does break 46 and start trading under it, I will short it. Shorted it under 46, but this was just a fake breakdown of 46. So, and earlier on I was looking at it like that, and this was too much of an early entry, and we were in that little congestion zone as well. So this trade could have been avoided for sure. That was early entry, a little bit of a haste entry there. I'm not too happy with that, but I kept my risk very tight, extremely tight, because I knew that it's still early. That's around 10 cents loser, guys. Not much really. I was actually waiting for it to I was willing to give about around 40 cents risk on it. So that's kind of like minus 0.3R on that trade. Second one, once this completely broke, and I would say still it wasn't really sort of broken properly, because it was still trending in that range here. So I took this trade under 46, one more try, and I kept my stop very tight. I said if it does start to break above 46s, I will come out of it early. So that was the initial stop. A very tight stop as well. On this one, I managed to get a 45 40s from 46s almost. That's around 50 cents partial. And then on the last batch, I got stopped out right here. So 50% got stopped out on the break even, 50% on the 50 plus cents move. So that's like a 1R for me. And then we have, why do I have minus 2R? Okay, that's probably is because I was actually talking about this one. I at that point maybe I didn't actually trade this, so that should change to around plus 1R and AMC. Okay, so that's the updated result with this trade, so I am happy with that. And we have next trade we had was BBIG. BBIG has been funny, guys, today. I really thought, looking at this over here, I started to take long. This was preemptive breakout long, So I was quite early because I was looking at that 10 level to be breaking. So 980s, around 980s was the trade, and my stop was just under this low here, under this low here, 960s. That about 20 cents, and I was going with very small share size here because I knew that it was too early and it's preemptive as well. Nothing has been confirmed. The only thing was volume was rising up, and I got chopped around on this. So minus 20 cents on this. That's probably less than minus 0.5 hour, not even 1 hour. So next, I had finally it started to move after this chop. Started to move, bring in some volume. As you can see, I started to enter on that pullback here. This bar pulled back all the way to 980s and completely very instantly reclaimed 10s. So that was the deciding factor for me. There is some demand, there's some buyers stepping in. I went in with 1002s, 1003s, and then added around 1016s on the breakout. Now that breakout didn't come, but that pullback wasn't strong enough for me to get taken out. My stop was somewhere here under this low of this candle, so I was still in that trade. I almost got stopped out by a few cents there. Once it starts to move, uh, I thought this basically is going to continue up to 11s. I was I expected a little bit of a better and bigger move on this. That's why I didn't take any partials. But what was happening here was really very interesting price action here. Right about 1050s, there was a lot of huge amount of orders sitting at that level, at this level. So what the price was doing was going up to that level, getting rejected from it. There was a lot of orders sitting at 1050s, and it could not break that that level, and then it started to reject. Once I saw this, it was quick. My hard stop, I brought my hard stop slightly up, and I got stopped out with minimal loss here, just about 10 cents or just over 10 cents. So because of this ad, I am down on this around minus 1 hour. It wouldn't have been minus 1 hour if I hadn't added this, but that's fine. I am willing to risk 1 hour on this type of move when it will give me multiple hours when it does move. So that is the update on BBIG. Total for the day for BBIG is minus 1 hour. So that is the result for the day, guys. SKLZ plus 2 hour, AMC plus 1 hour for a total of 2 trades. BBIG 2 trades minus 1 hour, and total we've got for the day is plus 2 hour thanks to SKLZ. Alright, that's it for the daily recap video, guys. I will see you in the live room tomorrow, 9:15 EST. Take it easy, stay safe. Ciao.